21. Power poles. When I was a boy on a California farm, I recall the day one of the first local farms was electrified and a powerful irrigation pump installed. The proud farmer said of the power poles and lines, "Isn't that a beautiful sight?" Well, now we have many telling us how ugly such things are. We had better not forget that farmer's point of view. The power lines meant light and water in the house and better irrigation in the fields, and he was grateful and pleased. Too many today act as if any evidence of growth and progress is a crime. Let's agree that power lines are not the most beautiful sight in the world, but let's not forget that they replace something very inadequate and have been responsible for great strides in human welfare. I don't believe that anyone is qualified to make a judgment about power lines and poles who is not, first of all, grateful for what they represent. The roots of this problem lie deep. Ungrateful men who will not give thanks to God will be ingrates in every area of life and without the ability or capacity to appreciate anything. Power lines, farmers, parents, their heritage, the world of God, nothing has any value in their sight except themselves. In Psalm 95:2, we are told that, as we approach God, quote, "Let us come before his presence with thanksgiving and make a joyful noise unto him with psalms." Then we are grateful men in every area of life because we are aware of how much we've received. As St. Paul reminded the Corinthians, quote, "For who maketh thee to differ from another? And what hast thou that thou didst not receive? Now, if thou didst receive it, why dost thou glory as if thou hadst not received it?" 1 Corinthians 4:7. We need to look around us with gratitude for what we've received, and we need to work under God to increase that heritage. The world wasn't empty when we were born into it, and we sin if we leave it poorer or emptier because we've been here. True conservation begins and ends with thanksgiving and with a spirit of gratitude to God and to other men. Grateful men are not destroyers.